I was gonna make some green screen text, and there is a problem with this. When you make a green screen and you want to use text, if you have anti-aliasing on, then you get this. You will see the green, and you can get rid of it. You will see the green blurring of the text on the side, and you will never get it perfectly clear. Now there is one way to fix this. I am going to use Paint just for an example, and I have a 1920 by 1080 resolution picture here, and you can see that when I try to make a text now like this, see, like that, and I try to test this, and I'll bring down the font a bit so you can see 20. Then you see here it will automatically anti-alias the text. Now the best way to do this, because the resolution is kind of high, the best thing to do if you want to use a green screen is to remove the anti-aliasing. So how do you do that? Well, we start by going to the start menu, and then you type in the following: Advanced System Settings, and I'll just drag it out, make it smaller. Basically, that is the command you're typing. Advanced System Settings. Then you get this window here, and then you go to the Advanced tab, and then you go to Settings, and then you go down to Smooth Screens. Remove the edge for smooth edges of screen fonts. And then you press Apply, and you press OK, and you press OK. Now if I go back here and I remove that, and if I now try to type the same, I'll increase the size of my font a little bit. Let's see, Advanced System Settings. Bring it down to 20, and I'll drag it out. Now when I click the text to the side, it will look like this. But when you have it in natural resolution, this will look best when you use it with green screen, because there will be no edges on the side or anything. So if you want to use text on green screen, this is how you turn it off in Windows. Just remember to turn it back on, because if you're going to type in Word, it's going to look nasty. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.